Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S to the power of s to the power of 6 is equal to square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2. Solution. Then let's multiply the exponent of both sides of this equation by 6. That is s to the power of s to the power of 6 or to the power of 6 is equal to square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2 or to the power of 6. Take note of this exponential rule that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m, this is equal to a to the power of mn. Then this can be written as x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to, then the right hand side can be written as square root of 2 to the power of 6 square root of 2. Then we have s to the power of 6 to the power of s to the power of 6 is equal to, this can be written as square root of 2 to the power of, this 6 can be written as 3 multiplied by 2 square root of 2. Then if you multiply 3 multiplied by 2, we have 6 back. Now we have s to the power of 6 to the power of s to the power of 6. This is equal to, this can be written as square root of 2 to the power of 3, then to the power of 2 square root of 2. Now let's transform this. We want to transform this. We have s to the power of 6 to the power of s to the power of 6 is equal to, this is square root of 2 to the power of 3, then this can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 2. So this is square root of 2 to the power of 3 to the power of square root of 4 multiplied by 2. Then here square root of 4 is going to give you 2, then square root of 2. We still have the same thing. Then this is s to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to, this is square root of 2 to the power of 3 or to the power of square root of 8. And of course, we know that 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So this can be written as square root of 2 to the power of 3. Then this is s to the power of 6 to the power of s to the power of 6 is equal to square root of 2 to the power of 3, then or to the power of square root of 2 to the power of 3. Now, by comparing, this is equal to this, and this is also equal to this. Therefore, s to the power of 6 is equal to square root of 2 to the power of 3. And of course, we are looking for the value of x. So let's multiply the exponent of both sides of this equation by 1 over 3. That is s to the power of 6 to the power of 1 divided by 3 is equal to square root of 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 divided by 3. This will cancel this, and 3 here, 1 3 here, 2. Then we have s to the power of 2 is equal to square root of 2. Now let's take the square root of both sides of this equation. We have square root of s to the power of 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. Then take note of this, that square root of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 2. This, we cancel this. S is equal to plus or minus, here we have 2 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Then S is equal to plus or minus 2 to the power of 1 over 4. Therefore, x1 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 4, or s2 is equal to minus 2 to the power of 1 over 4. So these are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.